students, good day everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. I am Shraddha Jadhav, teacher. So today we will see subject EVS chapter number 15, Travel and Transport, page number 64 and 66. So let's start. So today we will see rest of the part of this lesson. Okay, I'll read first. Very big cities have local trains for people to travel to different parts of the city. Many cities like Kolkata, Mumbai and New Delhi now have trains called metro. So children, you can see this is a train. Yes, so this is a local train, is an effective mode of transportation and it also easy way to traveling. It don't have special track, and when we talk about metro train, so this train is also used by the people for daily work, and this is a new concept of train in India, and it is a short distance way. Yes, a metro train have a separate tracks which is not shared with other trains. Okay, now we will see about water transport. Water transport. Small boats and motor boats carry people and goods across rivers. Ships and liners carry people and goods to distant places across the sea and ocean. So here the small boats and motor boats carry people and goods across rivers. So these types of boats also carry people and goods, means they carry foodstuff, clothing and many other things. And the ship carry people and goods to distant places across the sea and ocean. So ship, this is a passenger ship, it go far and very far because they can take many people, lots of people can travel in this ship. It go very far, so this is a long distance and lots of heavy loads. Now this is a liners. So this liner travel long distance. These liners are used for transportation across seas or oceans. It has a large capacities for fuel, food and other loads. Now we will see air transport. Air transport, the fastest means of transport is by air. We can travel long distances in a very short time by aeroplanes. Helicopters are used for flying over short distances. Goods can also be sent through cargo planes and helicopters. Yes. So this is a aeroplane. So aeroplane has wings that enable to it to fly. Yes, and this is a helicopter. A helicopter has no wings, but it can fly with the help of a set of large blades at the top that go round very fast. So children, see, this is a cargo plane. So this is a cargo plane. Aircraft is an aircraft that can carry cargo. And what is the meaning of cargo? Cargo means specially rocket pieces, aircraft wings, military heavy trucks and trucks. Yes, so these are the things or loads they carry in the cargo plane. Now we will see our question and answer. So answer the following. Name any three for each of the following. First, vehicles drawn by animals. So first one, ponies, bullock carts and horse carts. The second, water transport. So what are the water transport? sheep, liners and motor boats. Now we will see vehicles with two wheels. So what are the vehicles that have two wheels? First, bicycles, scooters and motor bikes. Now we will see match the following. So in the column first, you will see first one, goods train. So what is the answer from the column B for the good trains? The answer is carries heavy loads. Okay. Now the second one, camel. So what is the answer from the column B for camel? So camel is called the sheep of the desert. Now third one, local train. So answer is carry passenger in very big cities. Now the fourth one, aeroplane. So what is the answer? Yes, the flies in the air. Okay. Now take the correct answer. The first one, which one of these is the fastest moving vehicles? So answer is car. The second is, which vehicle is used to carry goods? So the answer is truck. Name the animals used in hilly area. So the answer is mules. Which one of these vehicles run only on track? So answer is train. Okay. So children, I hope you understood today's topic. We have completed this lesson in this video. So please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.